In a fast-moving world where cooking is often deemed cumbersome, ready-to-eat food items are the way to go. A farmer from Telangana is cultivating magic rice, which only needs to be soaked in hot or cold water before it's ready to be eaten. A young and aspiring farmer, Garla Srikanth, replicated the cultivation of magic rice known as Boka Saul. This unique variety of Assamese rice is very simple and equally budget-friendly to cook. Presently, Boka Saul is being provided to the defense forces as a convenient source of replenishment at inaccessible areas of posting as well as in times of war. This is perhaps a fitting future for rice, as in the past, in the 17th century, it served as the fuel for the Ahom soldiers fighting the Mughal army. The rice also received a GI tag from the Government of India in 2018. Boka Saul is usually sowed in June and harvested in December. Its yield is almost the same as a normal paddy crop. The cropping period is 145 days. It is highly nutritious and is grown only through organic farming. According to the study of Gauhati University on Boka Saul, it contains 10.73% fiber and 6.8% protein. Hope you liked this video. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Subscribe to the Discover Agriculture YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.